The Nimishillen watershed is unique. There's only one Stark County, Ohio, in the entire United States. It has a unique set of people, a unique set of things they do, and therefore unique water. At Quail Hollow State Park, we're looking at three main different types of bodies of water. We're looking at streams, which, as you know, streams flow. We're looking at bodies of water called vernal pools. They're like small ponds, but whereas ponds are usually wet all year, vernal pools may or may not dry up. I'm what's called an aquatic ecologist. That means I work primarily with water, and as an ecologist, I look at the organisms that live in the water. I look at the quality of the water itself and how it relates to the surrounding areas, and those are pretty much my three areas of specialty. Another site that I'm looking at within the Nimishillen is Jackson Bog. It also is a protected area in Jackson Township, Ohio. Unfortunately, it has housing developments that literally have been built up to the edge of it. So someone can literally walk into their backyard and step into a protected state nature preserve.
Okay, hey Joey, how you doing?
Beaver Island, it's our, what we call an outgroup. It's our comparative site. So if we go to Upper Peninsula in Michigan, to Beaver Island has a year-round population of about 500 people. The wetland sites that we look at there are pretty inaccessible. You pretty much need a four-wheel drive vehicle. So one of the questions we're asking is, given conditions where there aren't really humans around and looking at similar bodies of water, what organisms do we find way up there where no one is versus the organisms we find where people are around? So it's kind of looking at ideal conditions. Given ideal conditions, what will we find? It's almost like an investigation. We're looking for causes of why an organism may be here or not. And if we're going to say, well, it's because of humans, it might not actually be humans. It could be just the water is an unsuitable temperature and it really has nothing to do with us. So it's almost, I guess, like a puzzle. We're looking for the different pieces. pH and temperature are two possible pieces to solve the puzzle. Humans are another possible piece, and we're trying to put all the pieces together and see what the puzzle looks like.